हेलो। आज यहाँ पे ये मेरा चैनल है पिंकाक्ष। यहाँ पे हम लोग मैथ और फिजिक्स 9th 10th 11th और 12th के कवर करेंगे वन बाई वन। तो मैंने एनसीईआरटी के पहले चैप्टर को उठाया है जो कि रियल नंबर है। और तो जो ये इंट्रोडक्शन है रियल नंबर का, इसमें इन्होंने बताने की कोशिश किया है कि इस पूरे चैप्टर में हम क्या क्या कवर करेंगे। जैसे यहाँ पे हम दो चीज देखेंगे, डिवीजन algorithm and second is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So active division algorithm talks about the related with division and this related with the multiplication. तो जो active division algorithm है वो है कि अगर कोई पॉजिटिव इंटीजर हो ए और उसको हम किसी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर बी से डिवाइड कर दें तो कुछ रिमाइंडर आएगा जो कि लेस देन बी होगा। रिमाइंडर आर दैट इज स्मॉलर देन बी। ओके, नाउ many of you probably recognize this as a usual long division process. Now application इसका क्या है? To find the HCF of two positive integers. Coming to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, as already mentioned, it is talk about the multiplication of two positive integers and application क्या है? Application of this arithmetic fundamental theorem of arithmetic is first to find the irrationality, second is the to find rational number terminating or non-terminating and non-terminating. So, basically this will cover in this whole chapter. So what is this Euclid division lemma? Actually they started with a example. Example है, there is an एक seller and कोई वहां पे आता है, उसके एक को उठा के फेंक देता है, सारे एक टूट जाते हैं। देन ही रीच टू द पंचायत टू पे फॉर द ब्रोकन एग्स। जो आदमी उसके सारे एग्स को तोड़ा है उससे पैसे मांगने के लिए वो पंचायत के पास जाता है। तो पंचायत भाई पूछती है कि कितने एग्स तुम्हारे टूटे हैं। तो doesn't give him the direct answer. He tell them some reasons like how they can calculate. He told them that if counted in pair, one will remain. It will be like suppose if there is 20, if there is 20 eggs, let it be. Then what will be अगर हम बोले कि पेयर में मतलब दो दो के पेयर में एक बनाए, ठीक है, ये 20 एग बनाए, ठीक, दो चार दो छः दो आठ दो 10 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 ठीक। These are the 20 eggs. अब अगर हम दो दो के इनके पेयर बना रहे हैं ऐसे, तो क्या बचेगा? एक भी एक नहीं बचेगा दो दो के पेयर में, ठीक। अब मान लो इसकी जगह हम तीन तीन के पेयर बना दें, मतलब ये तीन, फिर ये तीन, फिर ये तीन, फिर यहाँ से ये तीन, फिर ये तीन, फिर ये तीन, तो कितने बच गए? दो बच गए। So same here he gave the reasonings. Like if counted in fours, they will three will remain. So basically, what it is doing, if we like 20 is then divided by 10, like, directly division, no x will remain. If 3 in pair means divided 20 divided by 3, then it will come to remainder 2. That is 2x will remain. So like that, what we do to calculate the number of eggs, we assume that total number of eggs be here. Okay. So and lastly, he mentioned that my basket cannot accommodate more than 150 eggs. That is, जो भी बास्केट में एग्स थे वो 150 से ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे, उससे कम ही होंगे। इसका मतलब टोटल एक मान सकते हैं 150 हो, मतलब कम होंगे, इतना नहीं होंगे। तो अब जैसे जैसे वो बताया है उस हिसाब से रीजनिंग बनाए। इफ काउंटेड इन 7 नथिंग विल रिमेन। मतलब ये क्या हो गया कि अगर 7 के पेयर्स बनाए 7 7 के, तो रिमाइंडर इनके पास 0 होंगे और वो नंबर ऑफ एग्स होंगे। सिंपल सी बात। जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बताया 2 2 के पेयर्स में है, तो 20 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? 20 एक है डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू 10 प्लस 0 हुआ ना ये। तो सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ थिंग वी आर डूइंग हियर, लाइक कि if 7 paired there will be 7p a 7p plus 0. A is the total number of, as I am told in my example that there is 20x. Okay, now suppose 23 into 6 plus 2, that is this number of eggs will be if counted in pair of 3. Similarly, he said that it is mentioned that counted in 6, 5 will remain. Then total number of eggs A, like I am writing here my total number of 20. So now in this case, original problem, this is A and counted in pair of 6, then remain will be 5. So here this will be like this. This number will be different. Similarly, for the reasoning counted in 5, 4 will remain. This is 4 will remain and counted in 5, and this is total number. Similarly, for counted in pair of 4, remain will be 3. So now how to calculate it? To calculate the total number of eggs, अब यहाँ पे हमको एक हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड है, उससे हमको चलना पड़ेगा। लाइक if we consider like this key, okay, consider like that number of eggs, what will be it? First of all, number of eggs will be multiple of 7. Remember, so multiple of 7 means 7, 14, 21, 28. Like that, we will move to check for the answer. Okay, so suppose like if we will take 7, then this equation will not satisfy. How? If number of eggs will be 7, then 6 cube plus 5. Is this valid reason? No, it is not valid. So move to 28. Okay, if there is 20 eggs and divide by 6, like I told in my example, there is 20 eggs and divided by 2, we get 0 remainder. Matlab, there will be no egg. Like they are saying 5 will remain if counted in pair of 6. We assume that there is 28 eggs and divided by 6. Then what will be the number? 4 will remain. But here it will mention what? It should be 5. So again, we fill with 28. Increase. Let's move to 735. Uh, um, 35 means put it here. Yes, it is valid now. 35 divided by 6. So what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 6 5s are 30, remainder will be 5, and so it is valid. Okay, now check for this equation. Let me clean. Now we are at 35. Let us see. It will be 35 5 w plus 4. Divide by 5. What will be 5 7 yeah. So we'll get 0, but here is remainder 4. So 35 is also not valid. Now 42. We are taking only the products, multiples of this 7. Okay, multiple means table of 7. Like that. Okay, so now if we move like that and we'll check for 119, it will satisfy all the equations. Like if we take 119 divided by 6, then we will get that 5. So satisfy this. Now for check this number. Hmm, let's check on this equation. 195 divided by 190. Remainder will be 4. So remainder will be 4. Similarly, let's check for this. When number of eggs are 119 and we counted in a pair of 4. See, remainder will be 3. So for 119, this example is. So here this shows the example k. What is this? If we take two numbers, positive integer, what is actually the actual division lemma? Let's say take any two numbers and or write try to write the equation like this uh, of this one. So like we have 17. Okay, so what will be 6 2 plus 5? Okay, 5. Let's take 5, then 12 into 0 plus 5. This our equation. If you take 20 and 4, then it will be 4 into 5 plus 0. Pick any. Let me take any other than this. Let's take 5 15. Then it will be 5 into 0 plus 15. Or take like 15 3. Then it will be like 5 3 plus 2. So it will be like this. So what we get, like two positive integers are there, then b q plus r. This type of equation we get here, and r will vary from this 0 to r and b. Okay, if this a and b are the positive integers, like here 15 3 24. Okay, so this is what Euclid is in lemma. Given positive integer a and b, their exact unit is q and r. Q and r is basically the, it is what this equation actually represents. Let me tell you. If you divide 5 15 3 15 0, okay, so this is your quotient This is your remainder. This is your A and B. Okay. So if you take this A, B into Q plus R, this is going to be the equation. So the value of remainder always be this.